Voila. Forgot to start the video. How is everybody? Peanut butter and jelly. P. B. You flip it upside down. It's D. A question mark. Or how about flipping over my head and finishing off the 2? Finishing off 2, 1. 1 goes through 2. Is it a feeding system? Comes in through here, around. You see it's one eye. Hey, Captain, got one eye, right? The patch on the eye, right? The patch on the eye also represents the drop. This is peanut butter and jelly, 2 and 16 and 7, 2, 7, and 16. 1 spear to 6. How do we get 2? Is it a left and a right? It is part of something. It is the outside of the third position, 2. There and there, and then 1 is what's in between. 1 is all. You take the 1, you spin it all around, you got 360 of the 2 measurements that we actually need. The next part about this is, let's send this in. Are we going to send this in? Send it in. Put it in here, and then pull it out the bottom over here on the other side, right? See the way the angle, this goes from one level to the next level? If you look at it closely, I'm going to try and see if I can get it on that right angle. I don't know, remember the angle I had it on, but there's a center. Here's the top row, here's the center row, here's the bottom row. Or we send it in here, it goes through here and all the way down through the bottom. But you see the way the arrow is showing me on this side? Maybe it should be showing me over here. This area is 9. 9. This area is 5. 5, 9, 9, 5. 9 and 9 is 18, becomes 9, 5, 9, 5. In the equation of 1776, in the water world of Neptune, in the relationship to EI, EIO, and DC, okay, McDonald's, they're all related. 1 times 3, 1 plus 3 will create 3 and 4. The letters of 1 and 3, 13th letter is the letter M. The reverse is N, okay? The 1 and 3 letters are A and C, saying MACD. 1 and 3 equals 4, MACD. MACD. O, because we pass the center, the 13th and the 14th, when M comes together, it brings N and O together. The beginning of one and the end of the other, the half of alphabet 13, the beginning of the other is the reverse alphabet 13 and 14. So we go 14 and 15 pi, and we go 12 and 13, 25, and then we go pi, 14 and 15, 29. So the birth of Earth, 25, 29 equals to 54, passage through the sun, bringing up this element. Doesn't it look linear from only a square and only a square and only a square, but we've connected it. We make the mind work. It's a rotative. So we showed this earlier on, 1 and 3 areas. Now I can show 1 and 3 areas, and I'm going to just write this up really quick. And these are Tetris pieces. Okay, we have to work with Tetris pieces because everything comes through games people play, because that's how we build. Here's a Tetris piece. This one and this one is the same. The difference between these two is this one has a center. 4 blocks creates a center. 1 block you must create an X inside in order to have that center. Every block is valued at 0, so every block is valued at 15, and every half passage you need to create an X inside of this to get the half pass. Half past an hour. Half past an hour is always going to be at 6. Half past any hour, you will always be at 6. So that's how we half past. I guess that's all we're going to talk about right now. We had that piano sign. That's it for now. Thank you for watching this video.